gentlemen, welcome to the BTC studio, the first BTC studio broadcast. We call it the sundown broadcast because we're here on Koh Chang and the sun is just setting here at 18:05 today. We're gonna have Bitcoin news, Bitcoin interesting stories for everyone who's interested, and especially for the traders in the markets. We have a big thanks to our sponsor of Bit Studios, the Koh Chang Resort and Spa, with more than 200 rooms, bungalows, family rooms, and a conference center. Here, of the bungalows we have here, only 8 of them, and let's enjoy with a walk on the beach. The last highlight of today. Yes, welcome here live to today's Bitcoin update. My name is Marc Velde. I will present myself in later daily update. Or when you have questions, you can just chat in and ask me. Today, I'm going to have a look on the market. It's actually been quite interesting in Bitcoin. It's been dropping at the moment, and see what causes it. What I do normally, I always start with the currency euro dollar, gold, and silver, and I will try to take you over here on my screen. Let's see if this works. Over here, and put on my desktop. You should be able to see what I see now on the screen. And also I've prepared a couple of pages we should go have a look at today. Today we have the 4th of October, and let's start with the currencies. We have here the euro dollar chart. I'm going to change this to 4 hours. You don't want to watch the short term now. Just to have an idea what's going on here on the market. We're moving back up a little bit on 111.63, but as you can see, the dollar strength or the euro weakness is strong move, and if 111.50 can be kept or not, we don't know. More important for the Bitcoin is the gold price, and we will have a look at this just quickly. And you can see here we also have down movement from 1,300 something, 1,350, and we're now at 1,307. Question is, if we can keep above the lows in 1,300. If the support breaks, we have to see how the Bitcoin reacts to that. Normally, Bitcoin, gold, and silver will move somewhat the same direction. We'll have to look at the silver price too. The silver price is more similar to the Bitcoin. It's more volatile, and the movements are a bit stronger. Just update this one here to make sure. Also, you see here we have now from the tops of 1960, we're down now at 1876, and trying to keep above the earlier lows. So this is about decision time in silver and gold, and therefore maybe also Bitcoin. Have a look at that. Let's see what we're ending. Let's wait for that to load, and we'll see here on the 30-minute chart, just have it comparable to the euro dollar, the gold, and the silver. We're going to put it on a 4 hours time frame too, so it doesn't look that dramatic as the 30 minutes. But you see, I have a support line which is roughly at 600, but we should keep above that. And we're now at 607 for the Bitcoin dollar, for the BTC dollar. And this should be, in my opinion, the turning point. We could even pull up my lower line just a notch. And but I would suggest small buys on this level, because if you see, if it moves up, according to my calculations, it will be able to move up around this area, 644, 648, in the first move. Just have a short look on the 15-minute range for those who are dealing a little more up and down, the ups and downs. And you can see actually it has made kind of a return here. It's moving higher again, but we have to catch this line here. No, that's not true. We don't have to catch. This is just the rough line I had before. I would be feeling better when we are above this again, but it seems trying to move that way again. We'll check that out tomorrow. According to my indicators, we are also going into a buying phase here, and only 52 in the overbought ratio. I think they're much higher. You see here, drop in the 80s, 90s. These are tough to look at. Okay. So, what else is new today? We'll see what we have here. This news, I think, is quite interesting because it concerns the whole market. The whole market, the whole financial market. And as you know, the traditional financial market is in problems. Bitcoin might be the gainer of this. And now in Germany, we have one of the big banks, the biggest bank, most known worldwide, Deutsche Bank, has even been criticized by the politicians in Germany. But what is more interesting is that the stock price is now under 10 euro for the Deutsche Bank. And what we have to know about Deutsche Bank is they are involved with all other banks in the world. And the effect of Deutsche Bank getting in trouble, maybe even going to bankruptcy, the government has prepared a plan for in the case of. And of course, the main starter of this is that the U.S. Justice is suing Deutsche Bank for $14 billion. So this actually should have, if something bad happens and this will be a turbulence in the market, it should be, sadly enough, a positive effect for the Bitcoin. Taking you back here for a second to take it back to me for a second here, if possible. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to shortly brief you on what's going on in the market. Maybe I will in the future tell you more about the charts and the strategy. But I want to do it, since it's a daily show, this will be better to bit by bit. And I have bought all my Bitcoins and fully loaded, so I cannot buy more at the moment. You can, of course. You're welcome to contact me if you need any assistance with that. What I also will have on the show for as a normal procedure, we'll have one guest. Guest can be anyone. I don't have any guest today. Maybe not have tomorrow, but in the next future I will have somebody talk. Maybe also from hotel or sponsor for China Resort and Spa here in Kuchan. So I will thank you for today. Just one small reminder, I'm bringing on a symposium on the 16th of October here in our conference center. So far I have a couple of participants, and the more the merrier. It's going to be hopefully about 10 to 20 people. On the 16th of October I had a all-inclusive package for Thai baht 2,800, including the room for one night on the 16th and the 17th. You are welcome, just like today. And of course, I will ask you for subscription, subscribe to my channel, like and share it as much as you want, and of course, donation for getting a little bit more technical update here would be appreciated. Tomorrow I can do that now. I'll also bring in the Dutch auction, which started 2 days ago, so the price has gone down a little bit. Let's have a look at that. 2nd
Okay, fang an.
Okay, come here for the Bitcoin special discount. I'm gonna do the Dutch auction, which is going back from a price of 0.21 Bitcoin per night for this beach bungalow. And every day we go down 0.005 Bitcoins on the price until the first one hits the button and orders this for his holiday. Thank you.